Hey everyone, hoping you're all doing well. Welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Today's recipe is extremely simple. I am going to show you how to make these beautiful grilled garlic and herb butterfly prawns. Guys, this recipe is extremely simple and it's absolutely delicious. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on that subscribe button. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have my king prawns on this plate, and I purchased my king prawns from my local fish market. It still has a shell and a head on. Next, I have my minced garlic, freshly chopped parsley, smoked paprika, black peppercorns, Himalayan salt, and finally I have the CBD oil, which was sent to me by a company called Love Hemp. They wanted me to try the oil to see if I love it, and guys, I have used this oil in making this same recipe and I actually really liked it. Now if you don't know, the benefits of CBD oils includes helping anxiety, depression, acne, heart disease, and so on. Of course, if you don't have CBD oil, you can use any oil for this recipe. So now I'm going to do is add water to a bowl, and then next I'll add my prawns to the water. I'll just ensure that the prawns are washed. Next, I'm going to use my kitchen scissors and I'll cut the back of the prawns. This will help me to remove the dirt sac which is at the back of the prawns. So the dirt sac is literally the poo of the prawns. I'm just using scissors to cut the back, and then next what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently remove the dirt sac. Once I've removed the dirt sac, what I'm going to use is, using my sharp kitchen knife, I'm just going to slice through the incision which I had already made using my kitchen scissors, and this is what is going to create the butterfly prawn. So once I have done that, I'm just going to open it up a bit more so you can see how it looks. And of course I still have a little bit of the poo, so I'm just removing that from it completely and just ensuring that, you know, the inside of my prawns is nice and clean. And this is it, you have your butterfly prawn. So I'm just going to set this aside, and then I'll repeat this step until all my prawns have been nicely butterflied. And as you can see, the prawns have been cleaned and they have all been butterflied, ready for seasoning. I'm now going to add my minced garlic, followed by the fresh chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, you can certainly use dried parsley. Now time to add the black peppercorns. I will also add smoked paprika and the Himalayan salt. As always, feel free to season your prawns using your preferred seasonings of choice, and all the ingredients and measurements will definitely be in the description box below. I'm now going to add the CBD oil, and as I mentioned before, if you don't have this oil, honestly guys, please don't worry. You can use any oil of your choice: olive oil, coconut oil, rapeseed oil, any oil of your choice, and this recipe will still come out so good and so beautiful. So please don't worry. Unless you want to get yourself some CBD oil, then of course feel free to do so. I'm just going to mix everything together well, ensuring that the prawns is well coated in the seasonings. Also, please open the butterfly part of the prawns and put some of the seasonings in there. You want to make sure that your prawns is well seasoned. Next, I will set the prawns aside and allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. I am going to grill the prawns using my griddle pan, and if you don't have one, you can certainly use a frying pan, or you can even grill the prawns in the oven or even using an air fryer. It's entirely up to you how you grill your prawns. Now once the griddle pan has come to heat, I'm just going to add all the prawns to the pan. And as you can see, I have all my prawns beautifully laid out, and I'm just going to grill it on medium heat for 3 minutes on one side. So as the prawns is cooking, I'm going to glaze the prawns using some of the CBD oil. Of course, if you did not use CBD oil and you used any oil of your choice, you can do the same thing. You can glaze your prawns using the oil that you use to marinate the prawns. So I've cooked the prawns for 3 minutes on one side, and now I'm just flipping it over, and I'm going to allow the opposite side to also grill for 3 minutes. Try to ensure that when you're grilling your prawns, you are not over grilling it more than 6 minutes, because once you overcook prawns, it can become very, very rubbery, and that's not what you want. You want your prawns to be nice and juicy. Now once I've flipped it over, I'm going to go ahead and glaze the prawns with more of the CBD oil. Again, if you're using any oil of your choice, feel free to continue to glaze your prawns using the preferred oil of your choice. And guys, the grilled garlic and herb butterfly prawns is ready. I cannot wait to enjoy this. Now, if you have not tried this recipe, I urge you to please try it. Just share it with your friends and family. Make it as a starter, and I'm telling you, they would want more. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell, which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Don't forget to also tag and share your creations on Instagram, and I will be glad and happy to repost it. Thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy your grilled prawns, and I'll see you next time. Bye.